Hi students, good morning to all. I hope you all are very safe and healthy with your family. So today we continue the same topic, construction. Okay, in exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. I just continue the question number 3. Construct the angle of the following measurements: 30 degree, 22.5 degree and then 15 degree. So now you observe, so 30 degree, you know that this is half of 60, and 22.5, how you can take over, it is half of 45, and this one is half of the first one, that is 30. Okay, so before I want to take a diagram of this angles, this degree, I want to inform you what is the construction, how you can construct, basically how you can draw the angles. Okay, I want to explain that general construction. So generally, first point, so this naming is not mandatory. If you take any naming, A, B, B, C, C, D, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z, whatever it is, you can give any alphabet letter as naming. So first, the basic, draw a ray X, Y like this with initial point X. So this is the initial point. By using scale, you can draw one ray X, Y. You take P, Q, A, B, or whatever it is, you can take over any other letter also. So first step, you need to draw a ray, basic ray with initial point X. And next, with the X as center, you can keep compass needle. So this is the compass needle. Your needle, you can place it here as the center. Okay, you can keep this needle X as center with your convenient radius. Convenient radius means we can take, there is no restriction, you want to take 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, but you supposed to take your convenient radius, but it seems to be not more than half. Okay, it maximum half or below half, it's enough. Okay, so now you can see this second point with the X as center. We need to draw arc like this, and it's cut in XY at P, intersecting XY at P. Okay, after drawing the first arc, next what we need to do, with the P as center, draw another arc. So this is the first arc. This is the first arc, basic arc. Okay, to cut the ray XY at P. And again, now we take P as center. With the same radius, you can see with the same radius, I just draw another arc. Another arc. Okay, the same radius, I just draw another arc to intersect, to cut the previous arc by Q at the point Q. Okay, so now next what I have to join means draw ray XQ. I just join this Q and X as a ray XQ in that intersecting point. Now PXQ angle is nothing but 60 degree. So whatever you want to go, first basic angle is 60 degree. Whether you draw 120 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 22.5 degree, 15 degree or 7.5 degree, that means 7.5 degree, it is half of 15, whatever it is, the first basic formation of the angle through dot, you need to construct 60 degree. Okay, to joining the ray is not mandatory. To drawing the ray is not mandatory, but basic angle is 60 degree. Okay, so next, now Q as center, draw another arc, same procedure. Once you open the compass to draw the basic arc, means you no need to change the radius. Continually, first arc it mentions 60 degree and second arc is also another 60 degree. Totally you get 120 degree. Okay, so now Q as center, you draw another one arc. I just mentioned. So first you basically you draw that ray like this X, Y, and we need to draw an arc like this, it intersecting at P, and another arc we need to draw to cut this arc. Same radius, that is Q. Okay, with the Q as center you can draw another arc. Cut it here and you must join this PQR. This is R and you join like this. Now this angle we take it as 120 degree. So that is PXR is 120, and then if you take QX, so this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. If you take over this two, you have 120 degree. So PXR is 120, but PXQ and then QXR both are 60-60. This ray XY is the angle bisector of PXR. It bisect angle 120 as 60 plus 60. So you know that basic angle is 60 degree. Again you draw another and mark means it added another 60. So totally 120. If you go another 60 means it slits, it get arc here, it's under, it's closed. So now it becomes 180. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 it's going on. So basic angle is 60 degree. So 60 plus 60, another 60 you draw means you get the straight angle. That is straight angle 180 degree. Okay, so now you can note that basic angle is 60 degree. Adjust basically 60 degree means, so 2 times of 60 degree is nothing but 120. So first basic 60 and again you go with another 60 means it shows 120 degree. So 45 is nothing but half of 90 degree and 30 is nothing but half of 60 degree. 22.5 degree is half of 45 and 15 degree is half of 30. Whatever it is for these 4 angles, the basically we need to draw 60 degree. So basic angle is 60 degree. So now we move on to the exercise sums. How to draw the angles 30 degree, 22.5 degree and then 15 degree. First we need to draw the basic ray. So 30 degree, 22.5 degree and 15 degree. First I take 30 degree. Already I explained through the general construction. First we need to draw the basic ray like this. Okay, I just draw a ray. I take over the name as A, B. Okay, so A as the initial point, I draw one ray AB. And next what I want to do, I want to take convenient radius. Okay, for I'm using red color, you no need to use red color in your note. Okay, so I just take it without measurement, I just open the compass with any radius, but this is the initial radius until you complete the 30 degree. Okay, so now I want to take A as center like this. You keep this compass needle here and just you draw a big arc like this. You want to draw big arc until. Okay, so already I told this is the basic arc. It cut it at the point. I will take AB. I will take that cutting point as X. This point I take it as X. Okay, and now next I want to take that same radius X as center and I just draw another arc like this. It cut the previous arc in the point. I will take it as Y. So now first I draw the ray and next I draw the basic arc. It cut that ray at X and same radius. I draw another arc. It cut the previous arc in the point Y. So already you know that this basic arc is nothing but, what is that angle? 60 degree. So I just draw a ray AY like this. AY like this. So this angles it shows 60 degree, but we need 30 degree. So you know that 30 degree is nothing but half 60 degree. So what we need to do, we need to take angle bisector. We need to draw the angle bisector. Okay, so I just draw a imaginary line here. It's not mandatory. That imaginary line is not mandatory. I want to show you it's a equilateral triangle. So now you can see this all the three sides are equal. This angle is 60 degree and this one is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. I just take that same measurement here. Okay. I have to take an arc from XS center. I just draw a arc here, and the same YS center I draw another arc to cut this previous arc. Okay, and this point I take it as C. This point I take it as C. Again I draw AC. Draw a ray AC like this. Now already you know that BAY, that means XAY is 60 degree and half of 60 degree is nothing but XAC. Otherwise BAC, this angle we mentioned as 30 degree. Okay, by using protractor you can measure whether it is correct or not. So you can fix this protractor initial point, the center point in A, and coincide with this ray AB. This line coincides with the ray AB like this. So with you can see it shows it coincides with the ray at 30 degree. So it shows 30 degree. So now you can see first diagram we completed. As the same we need to go with 22.5 degree. So 22.5 degree means it is half of 90. This is half of 90. So what you need to do? You want to take over 90 degree. So you want to focus only 90 degree and remaining arc you won't draw any ray. For 30 degree I just draw the ray for 60 degree angle because it is half of 60. So 22.5 degree is half of 45. Sorry. Half of 45. So you want to focus 90 degree and angle bisector 45 degree, and after that you want to get 22.5 degree because it is 45 is half of 90 and 22.5 is half of 45. Next we move on to angle 22.5 degree. So already I informed 22.5 degree is nothing but half of 45. So first we need to focus 90 degree. So 90 degree and it leads to 45 degree, half is 45, and next we need to take the angle bisector, we get 22.5 degree. Okay, so for that I just draw the basic ray as it is same. As it is same I draw a basic ray like this. Here I name it as PQ. I take the basic ray. And as it I just take any radius, convenient radius, and I want to draw the basic arc like this. So now I just name it this point as A. Okay, so first draw a ray and this is the basic arc. I name it as A, and now I keep A as center. I draw another arc. This is for 60 degree, but we need to focus only 90 degree, and after that we focus 45, that angle bisector, and next we focus 22.5. So you no need to join any ray for this to mention 60 degree. Okay, so next I want to name it this point as B. Again at the same radius with the B as center, I drawn an arc, another arc to cut the previous arc, and I name it as C. Okay, so next what I have to do means I just draw the imaginary line for this two like this. So in the previous question, how you can draw this bisector as the same with the same radius with the B as center, you can draw one arc above to this line, and you want to cut this arc with the C as center, you cut this arc like this. So now what I have to do means I just draw, I just join this intersecting point and I name it as R. So now I draw the ray PR. So you can see it is 90 degree. That is QPR from APR. It is 90 degree. So you consider from this point to this point. Okay, we need to draw the angle bisector. So for this you want to take one imaginary line to take over the half of the measurement and check with this. So this is half of measurement. I want to take another arc above here, one, and I want to keep this here. Okay, and I want to name it as this one as D. I keep it D as center. I just draw the arc to cut the previous one. It's not cut, so you want to cut it clearly. So now you got it. So PQR, I take it as S. Now I just draw a ray PS like this. PS. So now if you use the protector, you can find out the value QPS. It is 45 degree. So now this is angle 45 degree. Angle 45 degree, but we need resulting angle is 22.5 degree. So what we need to focus? We need to focus this intersecting point. So already I take over the intersecting point is A, B, C, D, and this one as E. Okay, so now you need to take A and E as the center and you take the measurement. So you want to take this measurement up to E also, and you can draw one arc here, and E as center, you draw the arc, you cut this arc, PQRS, and this is the main T. So now I need to draw another ray. So this is the resulting angle we get, that is PT, the ray PT. So now we draw PT. So if QPT angle, this one we mentioned 22.5 degree. So I just measure with the protector. It shows accurately near to 22.5. So you can see this is 20, 21, and it shows 21, 22. In between the line is going on. So accurately it shows 22.5. So as the same method, you can try this angle 15 degree as homework. How it is? It is half of 30 degree by using first. So you no need to draw the 60 degree angle. You just consider only 30 degree and you want to take angle bisector of this 30. So if you take that intersecting point here and you need to take that arc and you want to draw angle bisector here, means you get 15 degree, because 15 degree is half of 30 degree. So this third question you do it as a homework. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching our channel. This video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க. பை.